Hey, all right, welcome to my leadership channel where the purpose is to develop the leader within. Today, Tuesday, hope everyone is well. Hey, and as you see here right behind me, hey, it's a huge lion, man, ferocious lion. Hey, so here it is. What do effective leaders do? Effective leaders, they identify themselves, or to a point, identify themselves with certain animals or insects, or predators, or whatever you want to call it. But if you were to identify yourself with an animal, what animal could you identify yourself with? Would you identify yourself with a cheetah, with a lion, with an elephant, with a monkey? Would you identify yourself with an alligator, a giraffe? Would you identify yourself with an owl, with an eagle? So, obviously different animals that have different characteristics. One of the characteristics about a lion, man, is just their presence. Something about when a lion comes into the scene, right? His presence can be felt. The lion represents authority. It represents boldness. It represents again just bravery. And those are some of the characteristics that I can identify myself with. So again, if you were to, and I would love for you to write down a comment. What animal would you identify if you were to pick an animal? What animal would it be? Again, would it be a hyena? Would it be a tiger? Would it be a puppy? And those are the reason I wanted to say this today is just to kind of like make yourself analyze, because analyze more about your character and about animals, because if you study animals, there's a lot of very important, deep things, profound things that you can learn from them, their characteristics, why they are the way they are, why they travel alone or by themselves, or why they travel in a pack. So just this is my suggestion. Just study animals a little bit more. And here it is. For 2022, if you were to pick an animal, what animal would it be and why? All right. So hey, I hope this kind of encourages you. I hope this makes you think a little bit deeper. Pick an animal. Like to hear it on your comment. And that's it. Share the video. So switch it over to Spanish. Oye, bienvenido a mi canal de liderazgo, donde el propósito es desarrollar el liderazgo que está dentro de usted. Hoy martes, espero que todo se encuentre bien. Y como ustedes pueden ver aquí detrás, en el fondo, un león. ¿Y por qué yo tengo ese león? Oye, porque yo me puedo identificar con este león. ¿Con qué animal? Si usted pudiese identificarse con un animal, ¿con qué animal usted se pudiese identificar? ¿Con un elefante, con un tigre, con un bull, con un águila? Quizá un perrito, un gatito, quizá un oso, un búfalo, un cocodrilo. Eh, si ustedes pueden estudiar los animales, todos los animales tienen ciertas características de liderazgo, características buenas, como quizás no buenas características. Entonces, ¿qué sucede? Al yo estudiar el león y mirar algunas de las características del león, algunas de las cosas que representa el león, primero es el denuedo. Los leones son atrevidos, los leones simbolizan presencia, los leones significan autoridad, los leones significan que nuevamente no tienen miedo. Entonces, la tarea para usted como líder es que usted pueda buscar un animal o estudiar varios animales. Y, por ejemplo, otro animal que yo me puedo identificar mucho es con las águilas. Entonces, ese es el desafío, que usted pueda decir, ¿con qué animal yo me puedo identificar? Nuevamente, puede ser con una pantera o con un mono, no sé, un caballo. Eh, que usted estudie diferentes animales y me gustaría que usted pusiera un comentario y me decir, oye, Flecha, me puedo identificar con este animal, con este insecto. O si usted tiene preguntas sobre diferentes animales, pues me gustaría escuchar su opinión o poder ayudarlo a usted. Entonces, mire, espero que esto le haya motivado como que dejarlo pensar. Comparte este video y hasta la próxima.